Hello everyone, welcome back. So the next topic, know when alt text should be left blank. In the last challenge, you learned that including an alt attribute when using image tags is mandatory. However, sometimes images are grouped with a caption already describing them or are used for decoration only. In these cases, alt text may seem redundant or unnecessary. In situations when an image is already explained with text content or does not add meaning to a page, the image tags still needs an alt attribute, but it can be set to an empty string. Here is an example. Image source visual decoration.jpg alt empty string. That is just simple double quotes. Background image usually fall under the decorative label as well. However, they are typically applied with CSS rules and therefore not part of the markup screen reader process. For images, note that for images with a caption, you may still want to include alt text since it helps search engines catalog the content of the image. So, what is the challenge? Camper Cat has coded a skeleton page for the blog part of his website. He is planning to add visual break between his two articles with a decorative image of a samurai sword. Add an alt attribute to the image tag with and set it to an empty string. Note that the image source doesn't link to an actual file. Don't worry that there are no swords display showing in the display. सो इमेज में सोर्स में एल्ट एट्रीब्यूट बस ऐड करना है जो कि इम्प्टी रहेगा और ये चूंकि विजुअल ब्रेक के लिए है इसलिए यहाँ पर कोई भी एल्ट में सेंटेंस या फिर वर्ड्स लिखने टेक्स्ट लिखने का जरूरत नहीं है टेक्स्ट केस योर इमेज टैग शुड हैव एन एल्ट एट्रीब्यूट वो दे दिया the alt attribute should be set to an empty strings. So run the test and successful download my solution. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.